Hello guys, welcome once again to our channel. This is SunsetDroneGh, your lovely channel you've been watching each and every day. We come to you today to the very lovely video from Berekum. As we promised, we want to bring to you lovely scenes from beautiful towns that we have in our country. For us, wherever we get to, we try to shoot something beautiful and amazing for you to watch each and every day. Today I'm going to show you around Berekum Township. As you can see from the big roundabout where we have the symbol of the town, which is farming. The people of Berekum are predominantly farmers. As you can see, that farmer, a woman with the kid or the child at the back, coming back from farm with a foodstuffs packed in a basket she's carrying on her head. It's an amazing statue that you can see over there. We are going to the main station. As you can see, amazing shots that we are giving you. Berekum is a beautiful town in the Bono Region, the then Bono Region. It's one of the amazing and beautiful towns that you can find in Ghana. It is once being called the Golden City of Ghana because of its beautiness. The way the town was being developed in the olden days was just amazing, so beautiful. You can see a lot of rising buildings and every bit of beautiness over here in this town. Berekum is just amazing. The people from Berekum are just lovely. I don't know if you've encountered any, you will just love them. They are just too much of work. They just love to work to make money. They just love to always be on the grounds, their head up, and always doing things, stuff. We have a lot of businesses around, a lot of businesses doing amazing in this town. People are always, as I said, on the ground, making sure they work to make an end meet. Berekum is a beautiful town. I was born and raised here, and I love the town. I love coming back here. Yeah, and I know that you are going to love this lovely video. This is just a matter of showing you around the town in an area view, as we always do. SunsetDroneGh, we are just about area photography, area videos. If you have any events, wedding, you have any funeral, you have any outdooring, any event that you wish to cover and have an area view, just contact us. We'll be there to take nice and beautiful shots for you. If you have any project, maybe you are abroad, someone is like taking care of your project here, you want to know how the project is doing, where the projects are going to, you call upon us wherever it is in this country. If you have any farm project that you're doing, if you have anything like you have invested in that you want us to take an area view of it for you, just call on me, call on us. We'll just get it done for you amazingly. We'll give you nice shots, nice and amazing shots of the place for you. Thank you for always watching our videos. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I'll just entreat you to click on the red subscribe button. Click on the red subscribe button. After that, wait for some few minutes. You see a notification bell on your right. Click on the notification bell and click on all, so that whenever we post our videos, whenever we post our beautiful, amazing videos of our country, you'll be able to watch them and like, comment, and share them. Very soon, we'll be taking you around on a tour to all our beautiful tourist sites in Ghana. We'll be going to all the 16 regions, so watch out for that. As I said, we are going to the Cape Coast, Accra, then we'll be going to the most of the towns that we know of having great and amazing, beautiful sites for tourism. Please, if you have not been to these places, you can watch them, have a first-hand experience of the place, how the place looks, how the place is, so that when you go there, you know where you are heading to. Thank you once again. So keep following our channel, keep being loyal to this channel, keep commenting, sharing our videos, keep liking, and please follow us on all our social media handles. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Then all the other TikTok, Snapchat, we are everywhere. You can follow us. Search for SunsetDroneGh. You find us there. Follow us, comment, like, and share our videos. Please be part of this lovely family, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as most of our videos are being shared there. This is Berekum Township, as I earlier said. I hope you love this video that we are showing you. Please sit back and enjoy the video as we bring you nice and beautiful views from Berekum Township.